Stock number 40511G. It's 2021 Toyota Forester. Or it's a Subaru Forester, sorry. It does have a key, it does not start. Hood's no good, front bumper's no good, headlights busted, front fender's no good, passenger door's no good, side view mirror's good though, back door's no good, passenger side quarter panel's good, got the racks on the top. The driver and passenger roof airbags are deployed, the steering wheel airbags deployed, the driver knee airbags deployed, the passenger dash airbags deployed, all seat belts are locked. It does have a key, it does not start. There's the glove box. Passenger side. Yes, it does have a sunroof. There's the driver's side. Rearview mirror. Interior's in good condition. Again, this is stock number 40511G. It's 2021 Subaru Forester. It does have a key, it does not start.